My name's Searle. I joined Victrex about 6 years ago now, so January 2016. I work as part of the medical SBU and my role is a project manager. So I'm involved in the trauma projects, but I also have been involved on the industrial side as well. I've always been really interested in human biology. When I graduated, I was looking for roles that had a medical background to them. So that's what interested me to join the company. Working at Victrex is challenging and it's exciting. Every day is different, so that's what's really interesting about working here. I really like the fact that Victrex wants to make a difference. Working in the medical SBU, we're very much focused on patient outcomes and improved care for patients. Even on the industrial side, they want to focus on reduced carbon footprints, so it's just making a difference. I have actually had 4 promotions in 6 years at Victrex. So I started out as a quality control operator, and then I've just progressed up through to technologists, project engineer, and now I'm a project manager. So I think Victrex has really helped develop me and develop me into my role that I'm in now. Victrex have a really good mentorship programme, so I've had support there in areas that I want to develop within my career, but also personally as well. The people here are great. They are innovative, they are challenging, but in the best way possible, and everyone's really supportive as well. So if you've got a problem or a question, everyone is more than happy to help. At the moment, I'm unsure, but I feel that Victrex has put good foundations in place for me to be able to not only use my previous roles as experience in this role, to be able to use those within Victrex. I've been given experience across different SBUs, and I've also been given experience in multiple different roles. They've got a great flexible working scheme, so I've got a young daughter at home, so that really benefits me and helps me with my family life and keeping that good work-life balance. But I think it's more the career opportunities and the development of my roles and the experiences I've gained are probably the biggest benefit. There's multiple areas of the business, so whether you want to work in aerospace or whether you want to work in medical, there's options open and opportunities open to anyone, so it's a great place to learn and develop new skills. Market leaders, and they wanted to make a difference. It would be to ask questions. There's no such thing as a silly question. I've personally developed by asking all the questions, so that's the advice I would give.